Mm, it's nice. One more. I like this. Good morning mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a hurricane cocktail. Yeah, it's hurricane cocktail. So for the hurricane, you need these all items. So you need this rum, vodka, amaretto, triple sec, and Bacardi Dark, and pineapple juice, and grenadine. So mga kabunso, let's do it. A hurricane. And I need also this my shaker and my jigger as well. So let's start. So first, pineapple juice, 60 ml of pineapple juice. This one is fresh orange, French pineapple, 60 ml of pineapple juice, and 15 ml of rum, Bacardi rum, 15 ml, and vodka, 15 ml of vodka, 15 ml, and 15 ml of amaretto. Oops. And 15 ml of triple sec. 15 ml, and I have here a grenadine, 10 ml of grenadine, and put some ice. Also, this is my favorite. Shake it, baby. And I'm using this tumbler glass. So I did full of ice, so tumbler. Here we go. Almost done mga kabutso. Oops, oops, nice color. Need some ice. Okay. And finally, is see there is a little gap because of we need this Bacardi Dark. For the Bacardi Dark is 60 ml. 60 ml means 2 shots. This is a strong cocktail. It's perfect. And my garnish, orange roll. Nice. It's too big. Yes, orange. Here we go. And some straw. Here we go. Mga kabunso, your hurricane cocktail is ready. So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share and share and share. So mga kabuso, testing time. Cheers! Mm, it's nice. One more. I like this. So mga kabuso, thank you very much. You're hurting. Cheers!